Strangle means to choke or suffocate someone, usually by squeezing their throat. Example: she felt as though the stress was strangling her, making it hard to breathe. Gust refers to a sudden, strong burst of wind. Example: a gust of wind knocked over the umbrella. Cranky means to be irritable or easily annoyed. Example: after a long day without coffee, she was feeling cranky. Thrash means to move or hit something violently and uncontrollably. Example: he trashed the boy with stick. Mingle means to move around and socialize with others. Example: at the party, guests were mingling and exchanging stories. Downhearted feeling sad or discouraged. Example: after hearing the bad news, he was downhearted. Disguise you wear to change your appearance and hide your identity. Example: she wore a disguise at the party, so no one recognized her. Drizzle refers to light rain that falls in small, fine drops. Example: a light drizzle made the morning feel cool and fresh. Chatterbox someone who talks a lot, often too much. Example: she's such a chatterbox, always telling stories. Gulp means to swallow quickly or in large amounts, often when nervous or thirsty. Example: he gulped down his water after the run.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.